Hello, dear blooming children. Good morning to all of you. It is me, Suresh Bhardwaj, ex-TGT English, Navodaya Vidyalayas. Here, we would learn how to frame sentences on the basis of past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense. Sentences to learn how to use sentences on the basis of past indefinite tense. That is known as simple past. Any action taking place in the past. Action taking place in the past. In Hindi you can say, मैं पढ़ा, खाया, पिया, सोया, जगा, बैठा, उठा. Action taking place in the past. In that case, for your singular subject, he, she, it, etc. and for a plural subject, and I, we, you, they. For every subject, each and every subject, verb second form to be used. Subject, verb second form, and then object and other parts of speech you can use. Example, suppose विलियम एक पत्र लिखा. विलियम एक पत्र लिखा. विलियम एक पत्र लिखा. लिखा, पत्र लिखा. Writing in the past. Action of writing taking place in the past. Patra, object, and William, this is your subject. Verb second form. According to this generalization, this is generalization of this tense. General rules of this tense. Okay, subject William and verb likha. Write, second form wrote. William wrote. The generalization of this tense. General rules of this tense. Okay, subject William and verb likha. Write, second form wrote. William wrote and then object. William wrote a letter. William wrote a letter. Subject, verb and object. William wrote a letter. Okay. Likely, वह खाना पकाई. She cooked food. She cooked food. बच्चे अपना homework किए. Children did their homework. Children did their homework. Object, verb second form. Children, subject, plural form. Plural. We ran a race. Now these are the sentences. Affirmative sentences. These are affirmative sentences. And how to change into negative. Just before principal verb, here write, just before principal verb, not to be used. Not here used. Principal verb, not. And did. Did, it is already second form of do. Did. Mary did not write a story. Did not write. Did not followed by verb first form. Did not followed by verb first form. Mary did not write a story. Likely other sentence. विद्यार्थियों ने एक गीत गाना नहीं गाया. Students did not sing a song. Okay. Likely so many other sentences, negative sentences may be framed on this pattern. In case if you want to know yes, no response, in that case either yes or no response. Either yes or no response if you want to get it, then did helping verb of this tense did. Did to be taken out. Did here, this did, okay, to be taken out. Did she cook food? Did she cook food? Likely, we ran a race. Question with did, helping verb, Did we run? Second form, first form. Did we run a race? Answer to this question either yes, we ran a race, or no, we didn't. Okay. You may frame other sentences, interrogative sentences, taking out did, taking did to be taken out first, taken out, and it is to be used first. Did she cook or food? Food. Did we run a race? For as no response, did to be taken out. Other sentences using interrogative words. Interrogative words. Many sentences have been framed here, interrogative sentences, on your affirmative negative sentences. What did William write? What? Interrogative word followed by did. Did, then subject, then principal verb. What did William write? William wrote a letter. What? Then helping verb did, subject, and verb first form. What did William write? Later. What did, who did cook food? Only in the case, who, in this case, who did cook food? Only in the case, who, in this case, who to be followed by helping verb here. Who did cook food? Who means she. Who refers to she. Who did cook food? Who did helping verb, principal verb, and object. And here, who refers to she. Who did cook food means she. Why did children run a race? Why? For your reason. Followed by did, then subject, then verb, object. Why did children run a race? Where did he go? And then example, other example. Where did he go? Where means place. It needs a place to be shown. Okay, where did he go? When? For your time. When did your mother cook food? Mother cooked food. When? Time. Speaker wants to know time. When did mother cook food? How refers to a method or a way. How did he run? How did we run? Okay. And interrogative and negative. Interrogative plus negative. Okay. On this sentence. Okay. Or did she not cook food? Question and interrogation. Why did she not cook food? Reason and interrogation. Question, interrogation, and negation have been brought together here. Why did she not cook food? Dear children, on the basis of this pattern, you may frame so many sentences. Okay, wish you all the best. Have a nice day.